Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So today we're going to go through a quick trick on Excel where we can do conditional format using multiple rows. So what I want to do is for this entire row to show up as green if the score of any particular student is over 60. So let's see how we can do that. To start with, to make it a little bit more interesting, I'm going to name this the cell which it contains the score that I'm looking at for the student to pass, and I'm going to name it as exam score. Okay, so once I've done that, if I click on the name range, Excel will know that I'm referring to cell B4. Okay, so now I'm going to start my conditional formatting rules. So I need to select the whole area or range of the data that I would like the conditional format to apply to. Once I've done that, go to Home tab and click on Conditional Formatting. And we're going to have a new rule. Because we'll be using a formula to run the rules to see if the score is greater than 60 or cell B4, we need to use a formula. And then here we type equal to. So we want to see if anything is greater than 60. So in here, select the cell. Now, if I don't change this to, to the current form by pressing F4, then the formula will not flow through to B8, B9. By making it a $sign in front of B only, I'll be able to lock only in the column B section, but the conditional format will check every single row in that column B. So B7 has to be greater than cell B4. So because I've already named this range, I can click on F3 and select that name range. So this is actually the same as B4. So F3 is quite a handy shortcut to call out the name range that we've already named. So when the score is greater than 60, I want this whole row to show green. So we can go to Format and click on the color that we would like. And we just go OK. And there we go. So any student with a score greater than 60 is showing green, and it applies to the entire row. If I change this to 40, then yep, that also applies to the other rows. So hopefully that's useful to you, and I will see you in another episode.